Hey, welcome back. So, in the case that you need to add a new extension to your wallet and a new token for that extension, we're going to show you how. There's a lot of times that we are mistaken for having our token on Ethereum or having it on Polygon. Our token is on Optimism, and Optimism is not the most popular blockchain yet, but we do believe in it. It is a great blockchain that is a layer 2 rollup existing on top of Ethereum, which means it has all of that good security from Ethereum and the tried and true tested network. However, because it's a layer 2 and it's a rollup, it's extremely cheap, and so the gas fees are pennies. So we really believe in Optimism, and we do see that they are putting a lot of work into the community, and they are very much into giving back. And that's what we're all about. So we really believe in them, and we launched our token on them. But we do notice that that brings a little bit of trouble to the community since it is something most people are not used to. Let's face it, a lot of us are new to the Web3 experience altogether. So apart from teaching everyone how to Etherscan, which we did with our last video here, we are going to go ahead and teach you as well how to add that network and the token to your wallet. So let's say you needed to add Optimism, but you are just here on your Ethereum and you don't know how to do that. Well, that's exactly it. You would hit this little area where you find your networks and you would hit add a network. Now, of course, I already have Ethereum. I'm sorry, Optimism. So I wouldn't be adding those, but I would like to add this Arbitrum one because I do like them. I don't want to switch to them right now. And I saw something else here that I wanted to add, which is the Avalanche. So we're going to go ahead and do that. See how easy that was? You have now added them. Now, if you did want to switch over, you simply switch over, which is what we would have done if we were going to the Optimism Network. So let's go to our Optimism Network, and you'll see that we are now switched over. And don't laugh at the giant screen. It's usually over here, but yes, when you're doing these transactions and setting it up, it'll create a giant screen. So you can close this out now, and you can go to your wallet, and you will see that those networks you added are now there, like Arbitrum and Avalanche. See that? So it was that easy. Now let's say you needed to add the token. For instance, this token, our kids token. Well, it's pretty simple. The way we post it in our Discord is here, where it shows kids token. And you would simply go in here, pick up our contract address, and use it by copying and pasting. But since I also happen to have it in our wallet, bear with me, it does take a second, then we can go ahead and copy it that way as well by going here and checking it out. And there's the token address. So you can copy and paste it this way as well. All right, let's say we've copied and pasted our address. Well, we go back to our assets, and here we would import tokens. So let's say we want to import a different token. Well, it's simple. We would take our contract address and post it right here. Since it's already been added, it's not going to do it for me. But for you, it will pull up our symbol, which in our case is kids, and the fact that it has 18 decimals. If it doesn't do that, you can go ahead and do it yourself. And then you would hit add custom token. And that's it. Your token would be added, and you would be able to see your balance of tokens right here. We have a big balance because, well, we own the token. Wish it was Ether, huh? Anyways, we hope that was very helpful and that you've learned now how to add a network and a token to your wallet so that it makes it a whole lot easier to keep track of all of your token and cryptocurrency in your wallet. I hope it was helpful. Again, And thank you for joining us. Just by hearing this, may you be blessed.